The first digital signal was recorded in ancient Egypt. This is the Palermo stone, carved around the 25th century BC, and it is basically an Excel sheet listing the current pharaoh and the yearly flood levels of the Nile. Now, of course, the Nile didn't flood in yearly steps. It rose and fell in a continuous manner. But the Egyptians only wrote down one value each year, which means they were sampling. And that is what a digital signal is, a representation of continuous data as a sequence of discrete values. There's two ways to discretize a continuous signal. The first one being over time, how often you take your measurements, defined by the sampling rate. In the case of the Egyptians, this was 1 time per year. Of course, our digital systems sample a lot faster, usually in the tens, if not hundreds of thousands samples per second. The second way is quantization, how precisely you measure the value. Modern systems define this in bits. An MP3 file uses 16-bit data. That means there are 2 to the power of 16 possible values for each data point. So even though their data storage may have been a little crude, with the Palermo stone, the Egyptians were already thinking like true data scientists.